Hello and welcome to another analysis video. Today we'll analyze the American Express stock, ticker symbol AXP. To answer the following question, is now the right time to buy this stock? And if it is, then how much does one share worth? Or in other words, what is the fair value of one share? But before we talk about that, please remember that this video is not financial advice and for entertainment purposes only. American Express is a bank that provides financial services and at the same time it provides payment processing solutions. So think about the American Express as if Capital One and Visa companies merge to be one whole company and provide all their services together. Let me start with the things that I really like about this company. First, the revenue is growing year over year. Second, the debt is 19% of the total assets, which is very reasonable. And the third thing I like is that the company is buying back some of its shares every year. And since 2017, they bought back about 21%. So good job for that and keep it going, American Express. The fourth thing that I like about American Express is that it's a dividend company. But I don't like that the dividend yield is only 1.5%. I think this yield is too low. The fifth and the last thing that I really like about American Express is stated in the annual report. The unrealized losses for the debt securities are very small. It's only 2% of the total securities and 0.0004% of the total assets. Also, when checking the third quarter report of 2023, we find that it's going down. As you can see here, it went down to 53 million in the third quarter of 2023, while on the 2022 annual report, it is 93 million. So good job managing the debt securities investment portfolio, and because of that, I can say, in my opinion, this means that the risk from the increase of interest rates almost does not exist. Now let me tell you what I don't like about this company. I don't like the fluctuation in the free cash flow year over year. The graph is almost like a zigzag. In addition to that, when I went over the third quarter report of 2023, unfortunately, it is possible that 2023 free cash flow will be less than 2022, because the first 9 months of 2023, the free cash flow is 4% lower than 2022. Of course, this could change in the fourth quarter, but this is what we have for now, that it seems that the free cash flow graph will continue its pattern in 2023, and the free cash flow in 2023 will decline. Now, let's try giving a value to one share of American Express company. I prepared these 5 forecasting keys, and in my opinion, the free cash flow per share at the end of 2023 will be about $17.77. Using 5% return investment ratio, the intrinsic stock value is $355.34, making it undervalued by about 55%. If we change the return investment ratio to 11%, then the intrinsic stock value will be very close to the market price. In conclusion, I like the financials of American Express and I want to own part of this company. In my opinion, it's possible that the 2023 annual report comes out strong in terms of revenue, net income, but not free cash flow. Therefore, I want to buy 10 shares, but I want to pay $154 per share because I think in this week, the market is rallying as a result of some good news about the interest rates. I hope this analysis was helpful and helped you to know more about American Express Company. Enjoy your capital gains and dividends, and see you in another video.